Hey guys, how's it going? Cassie here from Surpass Income. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about a subject which often gets discussed during my business networking events with potential and prospective investors, and that is called basically it's the overall idea of taking business loan to invest in a thriving and robust business like the shipping container investments. Okay, so I was asked this question a few weeks ago by someone who was asking me that what do you think about the idea of taking bank loans and starting up this business. Now see, when me and my uncle we started this business or this company, for us things were different. My uncle already had a trucking business in Texas in the US, so he already had a strong base of clientele out there, so it was easy to procure a loan. However, one thing to note is that once we started business operations, by the grace of God, it was a thriving business and we were able to clear the bank or the business loan in a span of 8 months, to be precise. That's right. In a span of 8 months, we were able to clear off that bank loan, and thereby we then understood and realized the power and potential that an industry like shipping has. And that's when we decided to open the doors and bring in more investors. And today, we have more than, I would say, 1,200 investors around the globe who are receiving their monthly rentals on a consistent basis, and they're all happy making this passive income on a regular basis. Now, coming to the important question, which is, should we take a bank loan? Now, you should be taking a bank loan if you know that your monthly rentals or the monthly returns that you're earning is definitely going to be more than the monthly installment that you have to be paying to the bank on a regular basis. Because if you're making, or let's say, even if it is something which is on par, all right, then it doesn't make sense to get a bank loan. But if it is something where you're even making, let's say, $200, $300 more than what you're supposed to be paying to the bank, then it is a viable option to get into. So, hope that clears the question, which was asked. And any one of you that is thinking of taking a bank loan or so, I would say, do your due diligence, take out some time, think of ways if that process or that effort or that action which you're going to be taking in order to invest into the containers is definitely going to be something that you can carry on for the long term. Now, I'm speaking of something like, let's say, 4 years, 5 years from now. Let's say, for example, if you have taken the conservative plan where you are able to earn between 25 to 30% returns per year, and you know that it is guaranteed because the contract is for 5 years, and if you know that you're definitely going to be earning more than what you're supposed to be paying to the bank on a monthly installment basis, then that's great. However, if you talk about the short-term aggressive plan where the returns are between 100 to 120%, okay, and here you're not getting fixed returns because it all depends on the business, okay, so there can be fluctuations. However, I wouldn't advise people to get into something like this by taking a bank loan. But if something for a long-term conservative plan, yes, it does make sense. You're going for a guaranteed plan. Both are guaranteed. The only thing is there'll be fluctuations in the short-term aggressive plan, but with the long-term conservative plan, there won't be any kind of fluctuations. So hope that answers the question of many of you, which is, should we take a bank loan and start this operation? So you can take a bank loan as long as you know what you're doing. Yeah. So, alright guys, so that was it from this video. You guys take care. God bless.